Okay, tonight I'm working on getting my exhaust gaskets in and starting to work on my steering. I got my Heim joint finally in my bar, so that's what I'm working on. So I got this gasket. I'm working on getting this all cleaned up so I can get that gasket in there, because I've got to weld a Heim joint right here and run my steering right up through there. So I'll work on getting that done. So I got that in there. You can see it right back in there. There's silicone on there. Was that just so it would stay stuck while they put that on? Or do I need to silicone that? I torqued it down. I heard somebody say use your brain, not brawn. So I tightened it right down. Yeah, let me know if I should put silicone on that. Okay, I think I showed you what I had set up with this in my last video. These are the lengths that I need to go into this. Okay, so I have, again, 30 spline to 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 1 inch. And then these. I'm gonna cut this. So I got this in. I've got a little bit of an issue going on where there. So without the Heim joint, see how that just flops around, and then it jams and it'll smash your hand pretty good against an A-arm. It's already tried that. So I'm gonna take it apart and put the Heim joint on. See how high I need to make it right there. Okay, so here it is in. Okay, and that's the Heim joint. But I weld that in. Should I gusset that? Is that going to save me in the future if I just make a gusset? Let me show you what I've got to make a gusset. So I got this flat bar that I can make a gusset of some sort out of and have Hyatt weld on for me. Should I do that? Will it look good?